In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fonts and font size in Clickfunnel. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to customize the typography on a single page, so your headlines and paragraphs match your brand and are easy to read. First, make sure you're inside the Clickfunnel page editor. Once your page is open, look for the text element you want to change. This could be a headline, a subheadline, or a paragraph block. Go ahead and click directly on that text element. When you select it, you'll usually see its boundaries highlighted and a small toolbar or settings area will become available, indicating that you're editing that specific piece of content. Next, you'll want to open the detailed settings for that text element. Look for the small gear icon, which represents the settings for that element. Click on the gear icon to bring up the element settings panel. This is where you can control how that individual piece of text looks and behaves without affecting other sections of your page. Inside the settings panel, scroll until you find the section labeled Typography. This area is dedicated specifically to text styling. Take your time here, because this is where you'll adjust the look and feel of your text. Depending on your version of Clickfunnel, you may see options for font family, font size, font weight, line height, letter spacing, and sometimes color or alignment as well. Now, adjust the font properties as needed. For example, you might choose a different font family to better match your branding, increase the font size to improve readability, or tweak the line height so your text doesn't look too cramped. Small changes can make a big difference, so consider previewing your page as you go to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile views. Once you're happy with the changes, the final step is to apply them. Look for the Update button in the Settings panel and click it. This saves and applies all the typography adjustments you've just made to that specific text element. If you skip this step, your edits may not be reflected on the live page, so always double-check that you've hit Update before moving on. You can repeat this same process for any other text elements on the page. By selectively adjusting fonts and font sizes this way, you keep full control over the visual hierarchy of your page and ensure a consistent, professional look throughout your funnel.